Molweni bafundi. It's wonderful to see you all again. Another bright and sunny day that God has given us to enjoy. And I'm sure you had a good day, your first day of exams yesterday. I checked in with a few of you and it seems like you all enjoyed telling what you know. So enjoy today as well. We don't have any birthdays or announcements this morning. Just a thought of encouragement I wanted to share with you all is I thought about the song that we're going to sing, He Shall Reign Forevermore. And it reminded me of the fact that something we hear so often, but we don't always pause to think about the fact that God is in control. And so no matter what this day holds, no matter what your exam paper is going to look like, no matter what happens when you get home this afternoon or this evening, God is always and is still in control. And sometimes we might feel a bit anxious, a bit worried about things. That usually happens when we want to start being in control, taking certain control of certain situations. So my encouragement to you all as we sing, He Shall Reign Forevermore, is to let go of the things that make you worried, make you stressed, the things that you think about that might not even happen, and to just say, God, you are in control. Because you know what this day holds for me, I will have joy and I will have peace because I know the plans you have for me today. So let's sing together.